Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. Today I've got one that was sent by a reader named Wes from Canada. He lives in northeastern Canada in I can't remember what the town is called, but there are people up there that speak Inuktitut. And Inuktitut is a language that like thoroughly fascinates me. They don't have an alphabet, they have something called an abugina, and it's spelled Inuktitut. Inuktitut. Or is it Inuktitut? No, it's Inuktitut. Or it might be a K on the end. I can't remember. Yeah, I think it sounds neat. Anyways, he gets some stuff from Japan, and he got this. Among many other things that he sent. This is Kinchan Yakibuta Ramen. And I've had this before, and it was actually on my top 10 bowls list for a while. And I thought I would prepare it today. I had Andy go and look through my bins and see if there was one that looked interesting to him. And this was it. So here it is. Here's the lid to gaze upon. Now in here you've got stuff that's kind of out of the ordinary, at least in stuff you might see commonly in the US, in the West. Some things not so odd. So first, let's see, we got anything down below? I think everything is, yeah. So we'll go with you first. So first we have a regular, good old seasoning sachet. This is the soup base. Crack that open. Get it in there. This Kinchan company makes some really interesting stuff. That's about really all I can say. He said once that these are actually kind of hard to find in Japan. So that's cool. I mean, it's hard to get a lot of Japanese varieties that are mainstream here or sent over here, but this is one that's even kind of difficult to get in the home country, so that's pretty neat. So yeah, now we got a little bit of powder on there, if you can see that. The next sachet, I believe we are going to find scads and scads of Naruto Maki. And by scads, I mean a lot. Yep. Wow. So I remember seeing once a guy worried that his instant noodles had, like, some kid wandered into the factory and was playing with toys or some kind of board game, and he found this plastic piece in there, and he was like, "What's that? That's some kind of plastic. How can they do this? I'm going to complain." No, this is dehydrated fish cake. It's called Naruto Maki. Anyways, there is a ton of it in this variety. I have never seen this grandiose large amount of Naruto Maki in any instant noodle before. Usually there's, at least in the one that I reviewed before, there was like, I want to say 10 of them. Or more. It was ridiculous. And then here we have a retort pouch with Yakibuta pork. So this retort pouch does not go in at this point, and I'll show you how it works. So let's prepare. Let's put 3 minutes on the timer. That's 4. There, that's 3. And now we're going to fill it to this line inside, like so. Well, I'm going to call that good. Because I have reviewed this, and a little less water will make it even stronger. Then what we do, because now it's going to get hot, we rest this on top, which in turn warms it up. And we let our timer get going. So what we do now is we wait. I did start it, right? Yeah, I did. But yeah, this is pretty cool stuff. And I'll do like I do. I'll transfer this to a pot and then pour it into a bowl and then do the garnish and then it's done. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. So, I don't know if you can hear music in the background. I've been listening to a lot of music lately. I got an Amazon Echo, and I got the Echo Dot because I had like a $25 gift card at Christmas time, and they were like $30 on super cheap sale, so I got one. And then I played with that thing so much, my wife got me an Echo Plus. The speaker in that is way better, but I've got this playlist called Music for Miles that's just, I keep adding to it, I keep getting rid of stuff, but I want to say there's like about 200 songs in it now, and we play it like, we probably listen to a good 6 to 8 hours of music through that thing every day here, and it's rad. It's like $5 a month for an Amazon unlimited music subscription just for the Echo, which is rad. So yeah, no more hunting around for MP3s. You just yell at it. It's like, play this. The only problem with it is it doesn't understand a lot of the time. You know, it's like, what was one of them? Yeah, Alexa, play Pudding Time by Primus. You know, and it did not understand. Wow, it picked that thing up and the AC is going. But anyways, yeah, it wouldn't do that. But if you said, play the Primus song, Pudding Time, then it would work. And then there's a guy like from the 70s named Diodato, and he did a song called also Sprach Zarathustra. It's not his song, but he did kind of like a funky version of it. But it's also Sprach Zarathustra. Well, if you ask that, she'll be like, I can't find the song, also Sprach Zarathustra. And it's just like vexing when she starts having her fit about that. So, of course, it's a machine, so you're asking it to make sense, and it's not gonna. So you have to ask for also Sprach Zarathustra, because it's spelled S-P-R-A-C-H. It's not Sprach. It's German. So, anyways, yeah, there's my little time killer for a time countdown. And, wow, this has gotten a little warmer. Not, like, hugely. Not bigly. Ooh. Although this is freaking hot. But yeah, we listened to everything from like Steely Dan and James Brown. Miles and Miri are really into James Brown because they like to go yow. I like the 70s James Brown where he's kind of like not all there. He's got a brand new bag to deal with. Alright, so we're going to transfer this to the pot. Because if I dump this just like this into the bowl, it just won't work as well. Wow, there's another one. It's like, yeah. Look at that. Noodle. I wonder if you can see that even. Well, you might be able to. Yeah, right there. Alright, so here comes the bowl. This bowl is courtesy of Washoku Explorer. It doesn't have the website on there. Just look it up on Google. they have like these funky ramen and foreign food exploration kits. I think it's pretty much just Japanese. But they sent this bowl, they sent, I think, chopsticks and a spoon. In fact, I think the spoon I usually use is from that set. And what else? Anyways, and then tonkatsu, they sent, what brand was that? I want to say it's not Minraku. It was not Itsuki. Anyways, there were tonkatsu straight noodles, and then it also came with dehydrated spring onion and dehydrated mushroom, which I can't think of the name of. Anyways, yeah, so it's a bowl. And now it's a bowl full of noodles and broth. And I'm going to try this without the retort pouch content so I can do a little compare and contrast. Let's see. Itadakimasu. I should say that more often. It's pretty good, just like that. What we got here? It's like spring onion. Alright, now we get the wonder and amazement of what a retort pouch brings to an instant noodle. And what blows my mind is the fact that they don't do this here in the States. It's like, come on. We have plenty of instant noodle factories here. We've got Maruchan, we've got Nissin, we've got Nongshim. I don't know why they're not doing real meat pouches in with instant noodles. Probably because the market here is really weird. Over in Asia, people are willing to spend a decent amount of money for instant noodles. However, over here, that's such a different setup on things. It's sad. It really saddens me. Sad. Yeah, here is, looks like some, is that pork or is that vegetable? I don't know. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Yeah, that's a score. I like that very much. And now, yeah, I'm a sucker for these things. Again, I'm throwing down with the egglet. Basically, it's a thing you can crack an egg into and boil it. Just like, why wouldn't you just boil an egg? Because doing it this way, you don't have to, what do you call it? You don't have to do the thing that you do. You don't have to bust open the shell and peel it and all that. So, fail. But yeah, you see where I was going with that. Mung bean sprouts. Spring onion. I can go for togarashi, but I don't know. I'm just gonna be good. And yeah. So let's have the fun spin shot. Spinny spin. Oh, you got a dirty counter now. Oh my. But yeah, there is your enjoyable money shot of ramen. It's getting closer. Oh boy. The ramen's getting like, why are you all up in my face? I know I'm a food, but come on. Anyways. Yeah. Ramen. Gesundheit. Miles just sneezed. But yeah, that's the stuff. So that was fun. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. I'd like to thank Wes again for sending these along, and yeah, have a good one. If you have any questions or any requests, that's what I keep meaning to ask. I will totally take requests, especially this week. So just hit me up, put in the comments, hey, can you do this one? Hey, can you do that one? Do it. That would be so awesome of you, because I want to show you what I would do with stuff that you want or have access to. So anyways, it's Balance Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.